Hey guys, tip trick, quick tip trick. Hey guys, quick tip. Anytime you're going to cut drywall, get a drywall T-square. It doesn't seem like it might be necessary, but it's going to save you a whole lot of time and trouble. It's going to be 63 3/4. So I'm coming over to 63, one where I come down this way, and then I see the 38.5. But me, I'm 38 years old. I don't want to be bending down here. So the nice part about it is you have measurements on the other side as well. So you can see 38.5 is right here, which would mean you use the blade to push it. So just like that, I'm pulling with this hand and I'm pushing with this hand. Take your board out, kick it from the back. Now you have that seam right there. Run your blade up. Take your keeper, and then same thing, you can turn it on end. Run it up, and there you go. That's how you cut drywall with a T-square. So real quick, not sure how I messed up the cut, but I did. Anyways, that's the finished result there. What I did was, my first measurement was 38.5, but I had that incorrect. I never erased that first measurement. So I made it 38.5 by 38.5, and then I had to cut the other piece. If you're wondering how to get your screws at the perfect depth, this bit here you can find at your local hardware store. It'll set it right, and it's also magnetic. So we're going to speed things along here pretty quickly. Here at the end we end up putting mesh tape on after the drywall was secured. And that mesh tape allows the mud to penetrate through, otherwise you'd want to pre-fill all the pockets before you put your paper tape on. Then we hook up our heater with our fan blowing through the heater so that we have hot air in order to pull the moisture out, especially considering it's winter time right now. There's a lot of snow outside. I'll show you that in another video. Thank you for watching guys, and if you could, please like and subscribe.